Hello everyone! Today we're learning how to draw a snail. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen or a marker. Anything you've got to draw with is fine. We're starting out by making a spiral in the middle of our page. So we'll start in the middle and spiral around 1, 2, 3 times, and then we'll connect the end of our spiral to the rest of the shell with a little diagonal line. Now let's move over to the left side of the shell and draw 2 circles for the snail's eyes. Don't forget to leave a little gap at the bottom because this is where we'll connect the little eye stalks that the eyes sit on. Draw 4 little lines from the bottoms of the circles down to create the eye stalks for the snail. Now make a little curved line for the top of the snail's head and another one from the right edge of the right stalk to connect it to the shell. Now we'll draw a curved S-shaped line to create the left side of the snail's head. Now let's create that slimy snail body by making a wavy line along the bottom of our snail. Now we'll connect the snail's shell to his body and create his little tail with a curved line. Our snail is starting to come together, but I think he needs a face. So let's go back over to the eye stalks and draw in 2 circles for the pupils of his eyes. Inside of each pupil circle, we'll draw 2 tiny little circles. These will be left white to make the snail's eyes look shiny. Now you can color in the rest of the pupils, but don't forget to leave those little shine circles white. Now we'll add curved lines over top of each of the snail's pupils and make 2 little lines at the outside of each of those eyelids. I don't think snails really have eyelids or eyelashes, but for a cartoon they look cute and they add character, so we'll add them anyway. We'll also add a little curved line with a cap on it, kind of like a letter J, to create a smile for our snail. You might want to add some decorations on your snail's shell, like little lines or polka dots. I think I'm going to leave the lines off of my snail and put them in with color afterwards. What do you think we should name this snail? Leave your suggestions down in the comments below. If you had fun drawing this little snail, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and click or tap on the screen for your next lesson. See you there!